Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Reddit. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Reddit and you will click here. In this page of app on file you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.